Bullseye. Taas ba? Taas ba?
Maangat. Malakas yung hilo pag ganyan. Maangat.
Are you good? It's naman yan eh. Saka ano na. Reload.
Ano pa?
Asoy! March! Ano? Ako na hindi naubos yan, man. Dami pa ako dun, no? This is different than that. Mas malakas to. Mas maano eh. More powder. Okay?
Ito tayo muna. Malakas na.
More powder eh.
One left.
Labi ka puta.
Apat shot lang yata yan.
Ha?
4 shot. 4 or 5 shot.
Quarter up, one left.
Diretso yun, Soy, ha?
Sabay.
Sabay dapat.
One and a half up,
Kaya na ba to?
half left.
Yeah, you're good.
Sige pare.
Baba. Yan. Okay, good.
So what's the winner?
Tapos sa slow mo yung katawan ni Sol. Slow motion na sa video. Edit natin. Mga ganun. Lagi mo yung mukha mo sa likod, di ba? Ikaw. Ang lakas. Kaya yung ngipin mo.
Way too expensive.
I-try mo tayo ka.
I don't know, whenever they call ceasefire, it's like 10 minutes. Let's shoot at the we'll have to wait a little bit. So if they just go on.
Yan na, Soy.
The rifle range, let's do a ceasefire, please. Ceasefire on the rifle
It's
range.
fine.
All firearms unloaded, actions open. Muzzles pointed down range at all times. Grab anything you need off the bench at this time. That includes
No, you were walking to the side.
Oh,
Mercy.
Yeah, I was walking.
all inside, man.
All right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
Ano, dikit natin sa dito, doon.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Ikaw.
Ay, kuna tayong bago, no?
Bago na.
Yeah.
Picture na natin. Hawakan nyo, be. Kayo ni, ano.
Okay.
Dali, picture kayo.
This is a pistol target for 25 yards.
Turo mo, be.
Yan.
Pero it's video din. Galing eh, no?
Accurate na pala. It's already accurate.
Sige, taas mo ito.
It's good.
Dito mo ito pinili. Ay, sabay
Dito
na
ba?
tapas.
Asan si Soy?
Meron pa tape dito, dalawa.
Oo nga eh. Ayun, no. Humingi ako kay Soy yung ano. Ng tape.
Dalawa na lang
Ay,
nalagay.
tanggalin mo to. Ayun, harin ha.
Makahingi ba si Soy?
Yeah.
Makahingi na pa pala.
Ewan ko, kung nakakuha.
Dalawa naman yan eh.
Meron?
Very good, oh.
Accurate na pala. Hindi, kuha lang na ano. Save the rest.
Galing eh.
Almost bullseye.
Basta likod pa. Putang ina to si Soy. Bang. Hindi naman
Pagdating natin doon, wala tinamaan, no? Sample lang pala kanina.
I don't see holes, man. I don't see any holes.
Sa akin yan, sa akin yan.
Kay Margaret to yan.
Kay Margaret? Sa akin doon sa
Be,
baba eh.
tatlo yung akin eh.
Hello kay Margaret to. It's not bad, huh? Take a picture of that one. This one's mine right here. I was trying to shoot it, man.
Well, you're kind of all over the place. You need to have a group.
Not bad.
You're like in the group.
Now try to get this one.
So, yeah, I need
This one and this one. Just put another bullet in here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ito, mamaya tatamaan ko to. Dalawa, akin to ah. Akin to, dalawan to ah.
Kailangan.
Tatamaan ko yan.
Call your spot.
Ate, this is my spot right here.
Akin yan, akin to.
This is my spot.
Ito, kakalat yan.
Kasi ko tatamaan ko yun.
Be. Hi.
Hi! Mali din tayo, Garit. May tayo nagpatagin ko dito.
Sabi ko nga may timer.
I don't know which one is who, but we got it. We got it. One of us got it.
Alas ako, I know that. I told you guys I'm gonna hit this.
One of us hit this. Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh.
It's getting bigger.
Almost.
Kahit na.
I didn't aim for this. I aimed for this one.
I aim for this. Lahat tong tinira ko dyan sa taas.
Ah!
Oh, picture na.
Shit, son. One of us hit that.
Which one?
Oh, snap. Hawakan nyo.
No.
Oh,
Picture
yan.
ko kayo.
Yan.
Dito. Lipit na.
Sige lang, picture ko ito.
This was
Hindi, palapit na.
Hindi, pag ganyan, pataas yan. Ganyan, yan.
Oh, Bernard, hawakan mo.
Ako mo kabila. Dito ako.
Ah. Okay, good. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh,
Ano yung papalit ko?